Voglio vivere così, col sole in fronte e felice canto beatamente. Voglio vivere e godere.
Designed by Bertone, and it is a twist and go. Anyone who thinks that scooters with an automatic gearbox are modern, that's cobblers, because this is one. And anyone that thinks Ducati only made motorcycles, well, this scooter was actually the predecessor to the sports bikes you're riding today, kids.
Voglio vivere così, col sole in fronte,
175cc.
felice canto, accanto per me.
Amazing. It's a lovely riding position, has to be said. Nice wide bars, and it is literally just a twist and go. Engine braking when you decelerate is actually quite useful, and it's there.
Oggi amo ardentemente quei ruscelli pertinente menestrello dell'amore.
Front suspension's quite minimal, rubber and washers, and possibly solidified over the years. Not much there in potholes, but brakes are actually really good on it.
Col sole in fronte e felice canto, canto per me.
This is the only known Ducati Cruiser scooter running in the UK.
Voglio vivere così, col sole in fronte e felice canto beatamente. Voglio vivere con te, l'aria del monte, perché quest'incanto
Okay, to start it, pedal at the back on your heel, and off the pedal it goes, and we're away.
Voglio vivere così, col sole in fronte e felice canto, accanto per me.